What's up guys, Biker Dave here with a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Make sure you see the playlist link that will show up at the end of the video on more videos about this really good little car. This is a girl's car and she loves driving stick shift. This thing has over 230,000 miles on it because she drives the crap out of it. And she goes to college, 3 hours or so away from home. But what we're doing, if you see the other video, I just changed out the front wiper blades. Now we're going to do the rear wiper blade. Not difficult, no tools required. Just note how it's oriented, before you take it off. And I'll show you how it's done. It's very simple. Okay. Notice how, and when you go to, I'll put a link down below where you can get the replacement. But here it is, and I'll put a link where you can get it. But and here's the new one, so you can take a look. If you go to a store, make sure you bring your old one with you, and I'll show you how to remove it. But notice the little pin that's in the center there. That's important. And notice the shape of it right through there. All those are important because sometimes you go to a local auto parts store and their parts microfiche is wrong as far as the correct blade for this car. All right. All we do is just pin it down like this, and you'll push the blade that way towards the glass. See that slot right there? See if we can get a. See the slot? That slot right there. Oops. That slot kind of goes that way. So when you go to put it on, or when you remove it, you have to kind of pull to the right a little bit. Okay? Now notice as you remove it, make sure that you keep an eye on how it's oriented. As far as the way that hump is right there, and where that post is in the center, that way you know how to put the new one on. But this one was already torn, obviously done. Okay, so when you look at your new one, compare it, make sure that you're trying to put it on exactly as the old one came off, that way you won't get lost on anything. No big deal, just lift it up, push that post right in there, and then bring it to you, this way. It'll click in place when you know it's on. Make sure that it can't just pop off. And that's it. One of the easiest wiper blade replacements you'll ever do. And like I said, see my other video on doing the front wiper blades. A little more involved, but still no tools necessary. And we have several videos about this car, just miscellaneous repairs and fix-ups and things to it. So yeah, look for the playlist link. It'll pop up at the end of this video, and you just hit that and it'll take you to all kinds of videos that I've done about this car. Really cool little car. 2-liter turbo, 6-speed manual, quite quick and fun and relatively inexpensive. You can find a good used one online these days. They're not all that expensive, but make sure that it's the ST model. Anyway, check out my channel, all kinds of stuff, always adding more. Like, subscribe, follow, and y'all have a great day. We'll see you.